Having a hard time fitting into your shoes during month 6? Pregnancy can increase your feet by a whole size. Sounds like it's time for some self-indulgent shopping.
Weeks 21 through 24 of your pregnancy bring some huge changes for your growing baby. He or she has probably broken the 1-pound mark. By the end of month 6, your baby will weigh up to 1.5 pounds and be approximately 8 inches long, the size of a standard letter. Have you ever wondered how your baby eats? Believe it or not, he or she is swallowing several ounces of amniotic fluid each day, an exercise that helps the digestive system mature. The taste of your amniotic fluid differs based on what you've eaten, and research has shown that babies who are exposed to certain foods in the womb are more likely to eat them later. Although your baby's eyes are still fused shut, he or she can perceive lightness and darkness now. Your little one is also developing a sense of touch. By the end of your 6th month, your baby's transparent skin will become less so as your fetus gains weight from fat, growing organs, bones, and muscle. In fact, he or she will start gaining about 3 ounces a week. The most fun part of this month is that you'll probably be able to hear your baby's heartbeat through a plain old stethoscope. Forget that Doppler. While your baby grows, so do you, and your feet. That growth can be attributed to normal pregnancy swelling, and many expectant moms find that their feet balloon up a full size and stay that way post-birth. That's because relaxin, the hormone that loosens the ligaments in your pelvis, also loosens the ligaments in your feet. Pregnancy hormones may also cause some temporary skin discolorations. You may have noticed a dark line, or linea nigra, which runs between your belly button and pubic bone. Some women may also experience discoloration around the face, known as the mask of pregnancy, or melasma. And you may have started to notice the literal marks your baby is leaving on your belly, buttocks, thighs, hips, and breasts, stretch marks. These reddish-purplish streaks are caused by tiny tears in the skin's underlying tissue that have been stretched to its limit. Take heart, though. Stretch marks do fade over time. You're almost done with your 2nd trimester, and your little one is getting bigger and closer to leaving your belly and snuggling in your arms.
Want to learn more? Check out other videos and sources on this site for more information.